God, God, it went into the, it went in.
Do not continue this activity, as the YouTuber named Joel Guevara has reached 666 videos. As the 666 number is dangerously bad. It has been missing since, and weird things were happening to the account. Please listen to the information. We do not know if this may be threatening or not, but we can tell but she hates. To scare her off. 1. Billy. 2. Remind her of the old interminable rooms vids. 3. Complain how much she sucks. According to the account, she hates these types of things.